way to come to fort, and here there are staircase. You can go directly to the beach, and this is the fort. Hey you guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. It's our last day in Goa. What Guruji is wearing his Goa shirt which he bought in Goa last time when we came and shorts. I am wearing this dress, this hair braiding which I got from Baga, and this flower from your swimming pool. Let's go. Here we are going to Sinkirim Fort. So what did we do with the bags? So we checked out from the hotel at 12. It was 11 p.m. 11 a.m. he said. We can request for a little late checkout. Sorry. We requested for it and they agreed thankfully. Then we checked out. We asked them, can we keep the bag with them? We requested the hotel guys to keep our bags there itself. There are scratch card guys everywhere. They were stopping our moving scooty and asking us to come and talk to them. The scratch card scam. We made a detailed video of it last time. My God, you have to watch it. Beware of such scams in Goa. They'll waste your entire day and eat your head. And if you are there, they'll loot you of money also sometimes. So you have to watch it, and couples especially beware. I'll leave a link in the I button, Joe. Check that out. See, they're stopping in vehicles, and they're stopping our vehicles and telling, excuse me, sir. Wow. We are going to Sinkirim Fort. So that's a beautiful spot. So it is about 20 minutes from Kalangut. Go to Sinkirim Fort and then back to hotel. They have lunch there itself. They have hotel there. So they have restaurant there. We can have lunch there itself. And after that we'll leave to Panji around 3 o'clock. We'll reach there at 4. This is the road which leads to Aguada Fort. Today is a Sunday. That's why there is some crowd. Aguada Fort, Sinkirim Fort. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. See the view? What a beautiful location. You have to see this. See? It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. This place is really beautiful. My God. Oh, there is a fort there that side. See this beach, that is Sinkirim Beach, I think. And that's the fort. To come to fort, and here there are staircase. You can go directly to the beach, and this is the fort. And this side, that side is Taj Resorts. Oh, see here, parasailing they're doing. They're doing parasailing. त्या ताज की म्हणते हैं. That is Taj Candleim, I think. There are proper staircase to climb this, and you can reach this part of the fort where you can click great pictures. There is a lot of windy and great pictures, great view of the sea. It was pretty windy. Be careful with your bags, caps, and mobile phones as well. And the waves were hitting the fort wall. So we were also wondering the architecture, the construction of that olden times that with which the fort is built. That though it is salt water which is hitting the fort, it has still best point to watch sea storm के वही के वही वही रेशना हाँ यहाँ पाल ओड़ा ही ले अपना यहाँ से I'm actually tawal ten takun kadcha video kadta sir. The waves came, it almost splashed till here, you know. It's at a very steep, this is very high from the sea level. Oh, angu martas padauda. Salt water, okay, and this is red sandstone. That's why it has the structure has survived probably. Otherwise, if it's cement and all that, it would have never survived. Old historic structure. It's a great viewpoint and it's nice. Cool breeze also at this point. Wow. See, looks so good. It's a fort basically, right? So it looks very nice. They built it for protection back in the day, navigation protection. These forts were built for navigation protection back in the day, and right now for us these forts are just points of attraction, clicking pictures. That is the fort, and you can walk and come this side. Why? Oh, some other structure there. And here, you can walk and come here also. Come in the afternoon. There are few big trees. They will give you good shade. That's why we have to plant trees. Because these trees will grow big, give us oxygen, give us shade, give us rainfall, make our climate better. The heat will reduce, so many benefits. And if they are flowering plants, you can use those flowers to keep to God. Or if they are fruit plants, fruit trees, you get to eat the fruit, and along with that so many more benefits. Huge big trees, they are giving us shade in this hot scorching sun. Danger point they have written. Tourists should not venture beyond this point. If you venture, they will take action as per law. It's looking transparent, but there is a glass. I guess they have attached glass so that people don't go beyond this point and jump. Yeah, it's glass. See, glass is here. Glass. We are done after clicking 2000 photos in different poses in different places. We are now going from here. We are leaving from Sinkirim Fort. It was written as Lower Aguada Fort, so both the things are the same, I guess. So yes, very beautiful spot. In the evenings it would be really nice to come here. It's open from morning till 5:30 in the evening. So if you come around 4:30, you can sit till 5:30. There won't be this much of sunlight and breeze will be cooler also, and not so much heat. So that will be good. And waves also would be higher because as it goes near the night, the tides the higher tides, so you can enjoy that time. Come in the evenings, 4:30. It closes at 5:30. Be here before that. This is the story of Aguada Fort. It was built by Afonso D. Abekuri conquered it from Sultan of Bijapur Adil Shah, and then they set up a fort here because they were having other issues, like Portuguese colony was set up here, and then Dutch, French, English started posing threat for them. 4,862 meters length. And we bought Amul ice cream. So MRP is MRP is 30 rupees. They have scratched it and they're selling for 60 rupees. He has a rate card on which it is written as 60. Double the price they are selling of MRP. They have scratched the MRP and they're selling for 60 rupees. Wow. And these were the beautiful pictures we clicked at this beautiful spot called Sinkirim Fort. You can click various pictures at various different angles. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe and write sweet comments. And we met this cutie little baby with whom I clicked so many more pictures. That's it. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.